Okay. I raised this up because I put the chair away, so hopefully you can see the top of my head. We're going to do this one more time. We're back on manual for the audio, and I set the level at 13.5. I'm trying to talk in a moderate, normal voice. Plus the auto really sounded nasty. All right, let's turn the audience back on. And again, kind of the typical audience noise I'd be listening while somebody's trying to talk. So let's put the noise reduction on. And yes, we did find out that the orange is the noise reduction. So I think this going in the background is probably down to meep, 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 which I can probably get rid of real easily when I process the audio. So let's turn the audio filter off again. Okay, it's back on to green. This should be all the background noise and everything. That's the background noise off, and this is just me. So let's see what it sounds like.